The field to be inspected was over 30 years old and was substantially buried in sediment, debris and many years of marine growth, hindering immediate access to the pipelines for inspection and repair. The full project execution prior to mobilisation. This involved manufacturing full-scale models of the equipment to be inspected. Oceaneering took possession of the vessel in Henderson, Western Australia, where mobilisation of key project equipment was performed. Once on location, the team immediately went to work completing dredging and debris removal activities using equipment from their dedicated ROV tooling group. Once the pipeline was fully accessible, Oceaneering then deployed their purpose-built high-pressure pipeline coating removal tool to remove the concrete weight coat and protective coating from around the damaged section of pipe. After the pipeline was fully prepared, Oceaneering deployed their proprietary and field-proven diverless repair clamp provided from their dedicated pipeline connection and repair group. The ROVs made efficient work of successfully installing and commissioning the repair clamp, allowing the pipeline to come back online and resume production. This was a milestone in the local industry, with a diverless repair clamp being installed in such a short time frame. After successfully installing the diverless repair clamp, the project quickly shifted to Phase 2 of the project to perform multiple subsea inspections on adjacent pipelines, utilising Oceaneering's proprietary Neptune inspection tool. Prior to subsea inspection, a very similar approach was taken, and each inspection location had to be dredged and pipeline coating removed prior to inspection. Oceaneering's team of subsea inspection specialists then effectively and efficiently performed multiple detailed inspections, verifying the pipeline integrity for future production. The end result was the on-time and on-budget execution of a full-scale IMR campaign with 0 reported incidents, demonstrating Oceaneering Australia's diverse capabilities in the management and execution